Yeah, I'm up here.
Why are you making noises?
I'm just making a video. How's that look?
Looks good.
Yeah, does it? Do you think I need some more lighting?
No.
Looks pretty good?
Yeah.
All right, cool. See you later. People often ask me, how do I design the perfect background or set, as we call it in broadcast television, for my videos, whether using them for DIY videos, video marketing, or for YouTube? I'm gonna share some secrets right now. Bing! We're about to play some basketball too. All right. So why is the background or set important with your videos? Well, because it will set the tone, it will set the branding, it will help you show your experience. It'll help you. 3, 2, 1. So why is the background or set important to your videos as you get started? Well, because your background will help establish your expertise, your profession, your background, your personal background in terms of the information you're gonna share. Now, in my case, I usually record my videos downstairs in my home office, but I decided to switch it up. Why? Because the lighting's a little bit different up here. Plus, I wanted to show you a different look when it comes to recording your videos. And so as you're getting started, you may want to experiment with different areas around your house, different backgrounds, to see what kind of feel or what kind of feeling you get as you watch your videos. And don't be afraid to do that, especially when you're getting started. I have several different areas of my home office that I use, as well as now I realize that I can use different areas of my house. Even though this might look a little more generic, I still like it. There's some lines from the banister going behind me. There's like the guitar back there. It still works, right? And I'm still sharing some awesome tips with you to overcome your fear of making videos. So as you get started, remember, think about your background, your set. Don't be afraid to experiment around the house. Now I'll give some other ideas in terms of your background or set. If you don't want to go make your videos in your living room or in your home office, you can also use a background like a drop cloth. Put that behind you, or else you can use a room divider. Those also work, but those can be a little bit more generic. Some folks like to use walls. They'll just go live or they'll make their videos in front of a wall. Now, I do suggest, like in TV news, a blank wall is the worst background you can use as a background. We really don't like to use just blank walls, but for online where you want the focus all on you, a blank wall can work. You've seen the white look or people like the Apple look where people go make their videos in front of a blank wall. It's kind of all white now. The lighting is a little bit different for that kind of situation. You want to both light the wall and light yourself in that general situation. So the white is really blown out or really white. That's another production tutorial. But for now, I just want to share some ideas with you on how you can leverage your background or set, how you can rate the perfect background or set for your videos. Now, for me right now, I'm only using my camera, a microphone, and a tripod. I normally say use lighting, but I feel like there's a window right in front of me. I'm not going to show you, but there's a window right here. There's a window right here in front of me. And I feel like that's creating enough light over my face to illuminate. Now I could go, let me actually take a break. Let me go get the lighting and we'll see what it looks like. So I'll let you be the judge. Now I feel like the lighting does help. It helps me pop a little bit. So I always say use light. You want some light on your subject always so you can see the big difference the light makes. So I suggest wherever you shoot, use some lighting, but if you only have a window, make sure the window is actually the source of lighting. A window is not a light source in general, so you don't want to be backlit. For instance, there's actually a window right behind me. You can see the blinds are closed and it could create more of a silhouette effect. That's just another production lesson as well. All right, but a background can help you give you that confidence, right? If you know your background looks good, it can help you feel a little bit more comfortable, a little bit confident in sharing your message. So I just want to share those quick tips with you. Remember, experiment around the house, around your space. If you're in your office, maybe you shoot in front of your bookshelf, maybe you shoot in front of your desk. If you're in your house, maybe you can change the look. You know, now right now my family, my son is downstairs, my wife isn't home, so it works for me right now. If she was home, it would probably be a bigger issue with me bringing my production stuff upstairs, but it's not right now. Anyhow, if you want to learn 6 confidence secrets, a link is down below to my ebook, 6 video confidence secrets to introverts video marketing guide. Even if you're not introvert, you should download it. Click the link down below. Click the link down below. Let me slow down because I'm going too fast. Click the link down below if you want to download my ebook right now. It's 6 video confidence secrets, which teaches you steps to become video confident. 6 secrets that I learned through my trials and tribulation trying to share a message with confidence on camera. I used to be a news reporter and I used to really struggle. So the first thing you gotta do was gear up. Well, the first thing you gotta do was commit. The second thing you gotta gear up. And the third thing you gotta do is download the ebook. Download it now. The link is down below. All right, but hopefully this was helpful. If you really like this video, like it, subscribe, hit the bell icon if you want to get notified of future episodes. I post these videos weekly as well as a tech tutorial. So, you know, I give you your full video confidence education. Check it out right here. This is Video Fearless. Build your video muscle right here. Talk to you soon. Peace.